Before lockdown, in teams of 2 or 3, students had 5 weeks to research and design how to build a one-person boat. Now, after lockdown, students have 5 weeks to test their build skills and determine how well their designs work in the real world.
So what's your team name?
Dale's Boat.
Your team is Dale's Boat? Alright, and so can you tell me what process are you using to make your boat?
We're like using contemporary methods to make our boat. We're not using any traditional building methods.
Okay, cool.
Just sticking wood together using tube and glue.
Team Dale's Boat are looking at using contemporary construction techniques with their materials. They're wanting to join the 18mm ply to the 4mm ply using a butt join and using glue and screws to fix those together.
Oh, g'day. Kia ora, nā mai ki tēnei hui kia ora, malo lele atala palava. So this is our boat. We're going off roughly off this model here. The technique for joining is going to be the stitch and glue technique. So we've got a bit of a trial here.
Team Black Pearl are looking to join their 12mm sheets together using glue and cable ties.
So our approach, cutting slots in the wood, you can see here, it's a test using slot and then PVA glue, and so they prove to be a strong and simple joint. So that's what we're going to be using for the main kind of spar boats. So we'll be using the same technique there, but then doing